Go like that in the in the spoon. Like that, you see? So it gets all together. Look.
Too much work.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
So guys, if you haven't seen it already, if it's not on the channel already, it will be after this, where we've done a feature of an Airbnb in Marina Villa. Really exclusive villa, beautiful villa. We had the privilege of spending 2 nights at the villa.
Beautiful.
Yeah, the outlaw saying it was beautiful. Yeah, it was beautiful. So and we had the opportunity to eat at the restaurant then. So look out for that on the channel. If I've not posted it already, if I have posted it already, I'm going to put it in the description. Please watch that video, and if you're interested, then please do get in contact if you're interested in staying at the Airbnb. But today it's all about Bettino'S. So you've got the apartments over there. We've just actually passed the houses with the apartments here. And we've got the restaurant straight ahead. Bettina at the Marina Village. Yeah. And there's a restaurant over there to the right. So I don't know if you can see it, but directly in front, see there. Really nice one. We'll kind of show a bit of everything.
Nice. Ambiance is always nice, right?
It is nice here.
Beautiful.
Yeah. There's Mr. Man. So, yeah. So when you come, remember you scan, you scan your menu. Yeah. So, just going to decide what we want. Alright, drinks are here. So Outlaw got Rusty Nail. I can't even remember all the different alcoholic elements in that drink. In yours, Rusty Nail.
Yeah, that's name.
Rusty, you hear the name? Rusty Nail. I got a mudslide.
Design.
Irish cream and chocolate and all kind of something. Yeah.
Everything full of stripes.
Yeah.
Good to go.
Yeah, I had this last time.
Good,
So
yes.
I know what it's like.
Beautiful.
You like Irish cream and stuff like that? This is all thing.
Beautiful. Yeah.
So we're gonna go back now.
Don't you look nice, babes?
We go now?
Look at her. Don't you nice? Let me tell you.
Are we going out now?
The man need a wife. Yes. Another on prayers. Yeah, let's go.
So yes, we've got our drinks. We're going to come outside for a little bit and just wait for our all food to come. We also just enjoy this nice view. So they've got like a little gazebo thing upstairs. The restaurant over there. Yeah. Tennis court over there.
The place nice, man.
Very nice place to come and just have a nice meal right at the front of the sea. Yeah.
Very close to the Caribbean Sea. Don't leave me. Oh, yeah, seriously.
Yeah, so look. Beautiful views, right? Beautiful views. At Marina. Bettino'S at Marina Village. Yeah.
Yeah, man, nice bit. Well put together.
But guys, my only issue with coming or going out for dinner or going out to eat with Outlaw is this, right? Anything, and he's standing there looking at me. Anything I order, he orders. It's not supposed to go like that. We're supposed to order 2 different things so that I can take a piece of his. You understand? So I can taste something different. Everything I order, he orders. So I ordered the chicken, the Cajun chicken, then pasta. Yeah. He orders the same thing. Like, why didn't he order something different so that I can pick? You know, I like to pick from the men's plate, and he can even pick from my plate too. But no, anything I order, yeah, get me that too. Like, come on, bro.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Anyway, but look, it is a nice view. Nice cool breeze up here as well. And look, and just a nice ambience. The restaurant is you know, is nicely done, kitted out nicely. Yeah. The place you can come and dress up in the evening time and come with people, private events here. I think there's a conference room here. You can have private events as well.
Are you ready again?
Yeah. Yeah, so there's seating downstairs as well. Yeah. Yes, Cajun chicken pasta. All that's missing is a Parmesan cheese, but I'm not sure if they have any. Waiter's gone to check. Parmesan cheese on top of this, yeah. Yeah. And as simple as it looks, you know, it's so filling.
Yeah.
It is.
I was thinking of getting his own rice with it, but...
Do you hear that? He wants rice with it. Who does that? Oh my god, rice with it. I said to him it's filling, because pasta's filling. But, no, try it, eat it first and see how you get on. Yeah. No, babes, you must eat it first and see how you get on. You know what it tastes like, because you had some of mine last time.
Yeah.
How was it?
Good man. Mm-hmm. Good man. Cheers, good man. Always taste nice.
Mm-hmm. Good. Good. None? Okay. Alright, not sorry. Thank you. Yeah. I will do. Thank you. You hear him? What did you just say again? What did you say?
It looked like it's going to be filling.
I told you, didn't I? I told you. It tastes so good. Your mouth's full of cream. It tastes so good, guys. This is the one. Definitely. I still think you need the rice.
Maybe not.
Maybe not.
Maybe not. Sure, man.
You know you're meant to use a spoon, right? You know you're meant to use a spoon.
Yes?
Come. People let me school him. People let me teach him. So, look. Get some of the pasta. Yeah? You watching this? There you go. Oops, hold on, hold on. It's been a while. And you go like this. Go like that in the in the spoon. Like that, you see? So it gets all together. Look.
Too much work.
How far it's supposed to go?
Too much work. Let me do all this, I'm tired. This same place in the plate.
Outlaws ordered a serving of rice. Look, pasta is filling. I don't know where he's going to put it all. But he's decided he wants rice with it now as well. I'm done. I'm so full. I've been eating like half of it. Where are you going to put it?
What?
All of this food. You still got half of the pasta left. And you've ordered rice. You just being greedy?
What greedy?
I'm just asking you.
No, if somebody's hungry to eat food, though.
What combination, rice and pasta?
Yeah.
Different. That's not the norm.
No. Hot.
Bar area here is the bar and drinks. Yeah. The wines. All these wines. Yeah, wine rack. Cool breeze. That was good. I'm so full. You see the apartments there. So how was that for you?
Internationally.
Out of 10, what would you rate the food out of 10?
Okay.
Yeah? And service? Yeah, out of 10. Okay, and value for money. So guys, this is where we're going to end out the vlog. Bettino'S, yep, good as always. And remember, look out for our video on Marina Village Airbnb. If we haven't put it out already, if you're watching this and the video is already out, I'm going to put it in the description for those of you who've not seen it yet. But check out the beautiful luxurious Airbnb that we have in Marina Villa. And Bettino'S, always good, would you say?
It's work, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, nice combination. Yeah, nothing to lose. Work.
Yeah. So guys, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, watch some of the ads, and until next time, let me say,
Manners and prayers.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.